In this video, we'll go over searching for Modbus registers using Wiretap. In a previous video, we discussed discovering and scanning network-connected Modbus devices. When a device is found, click on Search Registers. Wiretap brings over the IP address from the search. It also brings over the port, which is 502. Wiretap is configured for the most likely endianness. The byte order is big byte, and the word order is big word. You can change these if you need to. Here the Modbus device ID is 1, but you can change that also if necessary. Next, you'll choose the function call. Here I've chosen holding register. Next, you'll enter in the register search range. To search consecutive values, use a dash between numbers. Even if your device doesn't support a register in the middle of a given range, Wiretap has the ability to intelligently search through the registers and find ones that return values so that you don't get a failed call. I'll go ahead and change this to 0 to 10, then click Search. Let's scroll down. Here we've found 5 different registers, 0 through 4. The hex value is the data that we got back in 16-bit registers. The blue highlighted value is the most likely type of value, either an integer, unsigned integer, and so on. We can change that if we need to. For example, I can change this first one to a float. If I click on that float, it gives me the value to the right. We can also change the slope or the scale of the value and the y-intercept, which is an offset. For example, let's change the scale to 1/100th. Clicking out of that box, we can see the scaled value is 286.72 rather than 28,672. In other words, this integer value has been multiplied by 0.01. We can change the offset as well. I'll go ahead and change it here to 50. Once I click outside the box, we can see the scaled value changes by adding 50. It becomes 336.72. Changing the slope, the y-intercept, and the type of value allow you to explore the data without having to do a whole bunch of calculations. You can explore the data and make changes for each register. So for the 4th register, let's go ahead and change that to an unsigned integer, and we'll scale it by 1/1000th. We get 58.192. The process for searching for registers is very similar for wiretapping existing Modbus RTU devices.